How to make only your friends can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one, profile information. Click this pen and here and may select friends, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.